PDF Compressor PDF Champ. Dealing with large PDFs, they're hard to share or store. PDF Champ's PDF Compress tool reduces file sizes while keeping quality intact. What the feature does. This tool compresses PDF files for easier sharing, faster uploads, and storage optimization. Choose from multiple compression levels to balance size reduction and quality. Use it for email attachments. Reduce PDF size to meet attachment limits. Web uploads. Optimize PDFs for faster website loading. Storage saving. Save disk space with compressed files. Mobile sharing. Create smaller PDFs for easy sharing on phones or tablets. Why use PDF Compress? Reduced file size for easy sharing. Faster upload and download times. Lower storage requirements. Email-friendly PDFs. Step-by-step guide. 1. Open PDF Compress. Open the PDF Compress tool from the Basic Tools menu. 2. Select the PDF file. Choose the PDF file you want to compress. 3. Choose compression level. Select the compression level depending on how much file size reduction you need. 4. Select output location and file name. Choose where to save the compressed PDF and give a file name. 5. Preview estimated file size. Check the estimated reduction to see the new file size before compressing. 6. Compress PDF. Click Compress PDF to start the process. 7. Verify results. Once completed, check the results, smaller file size without significant loss of quality. Compress your PDFs quickly and efficiently with PDF Champ's PDF Compress feature.